The stock screener on TradingView is designed to narrow a large market down to a more focused list of stocks that match your criteria. Instead of searching through individual symbols one by one, the screener lets you filter the market by region, sector, performance, valuation, dividends, volume, technical conditions, and other data points that may matter to your analysis. TradingView's screener walkthrough explains that screeners can be opened from the products menu or from the right toolbar, and that the screener layout includes the screener switch menu, screens menu, top filter panel, table, and settings. A practical way to use it is to start with the market you want to analyze. If you are looking for United States stocks, United Kingdom shares, or another region, the selected market helps decide which instruments appear in the table. From there, the filters become the main part of the workflow. You can use them to look for stocks that meet specific conditions, such as larger market capitalization, higher volume, stronger recent performance, lower valuation ratios, or technical signals that match your approach. The table then turns those filters into a working list. Each row represents a stock, and the columns show the data you want to compare. TradingView's stock screener guidance explains that column sets are grouped around different types of analysis or financial statement data, and that additional column sets can be added when needed. That means the screener is not only filtering stocks, it is also helping compare them side by side. This is where sorting becomes useful. Once your filters are in place, you can sort the results by the column that matters most to you. For example, you may sort by percentage change to find stronger movers, by volume to focus on more active stocks, or by market capitalization to separate larger companies from smaller ones. This makes the screener more than a search tool. It becomes a way to rank opportunities based on the criteria you have chosen. You can also use watch lists inside the screener. TradingView's support page explains that the watch list filter can be used to scan a specific custom or flagged watch list, so only matching instruments from that list appear in the table. That is useful when you already have a group of stocks you follow and want to apply filters without scanning the entire market. Once you have a useful screen, it can be saved and reused. That helps keep your process consistent, especially if you regularly scan for the same type of setup. You can also add selected screener results to a watch list, which makes it easier to track the names that match your criteria after the scan is complete. In practice, the stock screener works best as a research filter, not as a trade signal by itself. It helps reduce the market to a cleaner shortlist, so you can spend more time reviewing the stocks that meet your conditions and less time searching manually.